Congratulations! You've received your Zoom Rooms Huddle Kit. Your kit includes a Dell PC, a Logitech Meetup all-in-one camera, an iPad mini, a Heckler iPad console, a Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse, an HDMI cable, an Ethernet cable, a Lightning cable, and a Logitech TV mount. You just need one or more monitors to get started. The first step is to connect your equipment. Plug in the Logitech Meetup and connect it to the Dell PC. Use the Logitech TV mount to attach the Logitech Meetup to the top of the monitor. Connect the Dell PC to a monitor with the included HDMI cable. Connect the Dell PC to the network using the included Ethernet cable. Now, let's set up your iPad. This iPad will be the controller for your Zoom Room. Secure the iPad in the Heckler console. Download the Zoom Rooms app from the Apple App Store. Power on your PC and monitor. The Zoom Rooms application will start automatically. Open the Zoom Rooms app and enter the pairing code shown on the Zoom Rooms monitor. Sign in with your Zoom administrator account and select an existing room or create a new room. That's all you need to get up and running with your Zoom Rooms kit. Now, start up a meeting and enjoy flawless video, audio, and content sharing in your new Zoom Room.